everyone, for this hackathon, I've built an Instagram caption generator. Sounds common, but there's something different. I'll just show you. As we dig in, here's the page where you can upload the images. Let's select multiple images. These are my GRADIO images. Let's ask, I'm not giving any additional statements, ask it to generate a caption. Let's see how it goes. So just level up, I'm beyond graduated. It was able to find the interconnection between the images where the current one are lacking, and so we can also change the variations, like you can make it as motivational or humorous and just click on generate caption. Isn't it lovely? It was able to, we can also click a generate alternate options captions where it generates three versions of different captions using the llama 3.2 model, and this one is llama 4 model. I used the smaller model for this one because it's taking this as an input and just recreating that in three different ways. So I use the smaller one so that we can save the cost and also the time, because we are just taking that as the input and producing the variations of it. So apart from this, also we have something called multi-language generator. So if you want your caption, like you have some specific part of your caption or your whole caption to be given in different languages or some specific language. Since I'm from India, I just want some of my, not my complete caption, but at least some of it. It's like the first part of it, and just click on that, and I want to put it Hindi and then add it into part of my caption. So let's see. Yes, it's able to give it, and this is built using the Hugging Face inference API is being used. So as part of this whole application, we have llama 3.2 for caption variations, and the main caption is using llama 4, and this is using the Sambanova API inferences. And for all the four translations that we are using here today, for German, Chinese, Hindi and Arabic, these four are using the Hugging Face inference API. So here we go. And now, before choosing these models, I have done some analysis. Let's go. Like, what analysis did I do? So for the caption generation models, I've compared with the several other models and performances before choosing the best one. So after for that also, I've taken a data set which is from Kaggle. I've taken a pile of it, not complete like this pile of data which has like almost 284 images, and then tested against all these models, and this was like llama 4 was a win in respect to latency. And then I've chosen that as part of this application. And not only that, for even for the caption variation, I've compared it with very other models with different providers, and here is the result. It's the lowest one is the 3.21, and it also has good variation quality. And also we can see that the Claude also has a very good variation, but there was little low latency is for Meta Llama 3.2, so I've chosen that. So apart from this, I've taken all the four models, the transition models from the Hugging Face, and how does my solution differ from the current one? Is definitely I'm focusing on latency, because we have several models, but also the Llama 4 was the very latest vision model which has been performing incredibly great, and we don't have anything currently deployed using Llama 4 vision which can generate an Insta captions and which can find the interconnection between the images and also produce an accurate caption for us. So these are the reasons for me to choose it. So it's very fast. It's also, the llama models are very cheaper than many GPT models, so that's the main reason also for me to choose the llama 4 and 3.2 and choosing a smaller model for just variation, so that I can be a cost efficient one. And this complete thing was built on the, as I mentioned, it was built on GRADIO. It's a GRADIO interface, and this is a GRADIO app with as an MCP server. I can just show you that. Okay, so here we go, the GRADIO app as an MCP server. So I'm under the track 1 for this hackathon. Hope you like my presentation. Thank you. That's it for today.